Today on Outdoor Handyman Adventures, I'm going to be installing this 17-inch tire on this 17-inch rim without using a tire machine. I'm going to be doing it all by hand. So I got the new tire here that's going to go on this rim here. This is a spare. So what we want to do first is get our tire and stick it over the rim. Okay, turn it. Let me get a hammer here. I'm going to spin it right here. You can see what I'm doing. Right here. Kind of just want to tap, not the rim, you just want to tap the edge of the tire. And push down on the tire when you're doing it. Alright. And that's how you get that down on the tire there. And now I'm going to try to do it differently. Alright, today I'm going to try to use put this tire on, a screwdriver, and I got a pry bar. This is like a pry bar anybody might have. So I'm going to try to see if I can't put this tire on by using this stuff instead of the normal tire tools I usually use. Alright, want to put the rim, get the rim like this where the lip is up here. I'm going to put my foot here. Let me slide the screwdriver underneath, kind of pull it around. So I can stand both feet on there. Alright. Stick this somewhere where I don't hold it out the way for the moment. As you do it, walk around with your foot. Of course, that helps to keep the tire pushed down. You want to make get small bites on it. Don't want to get nothing too big. All right. Should be far enough around. I don't need this. I didn't even use that, so. So that's how you put the tire on with a screwdriver. Now, I need to put some air in it. So let me put some air in the tire. Hook up my air compressor here. All right, we're gonna make sure we're sealed around the edge here with the tire. Spin it around. Check this, make sure you're good. Now let's see if we can get some See how much pounds we have of air in it, or PSI. Pounds per square inch. Let's see here. 15 pounds. We got to have more than that in there. Almost 32 pounds. Let me put a little more in there. I'm just gonna put 32 in this one, just for now. That's close enough, 30. All right, that's close enough for now. For the video. I think my air compressor's unplugged. All right, now we'll spin the tire around. And now we're gonna check the tire. I'm gonna spray around the tire with some soap and water and just check to see if it has any leaks. All right, now we wanna take some, I got some soapy water made up, and now we just wanna spray around the edge. Oh well. This ain't working. Put it over there. Pour a little bit of this around the edge right here. Yeah, my little sprayer quit working on me. All right, that's good right there. We look for little air bubbles. Got a little air bubble right there. What we do is grab our hammer right here and hit it right here where the bubbles are, right here on the side. Like that. Pour a little bit of this right here back over it. Try not to get this in your eyes. Look at there. Look at that. That's fixed. Yep. All right, ain't no leaks on that side. Let's do this side. See right here? We got all these bubbles right here. And if we got an air leak, we want to hit the tire, not the rim. We want to hit the tire. And that gets all the debris or the trash that could possibly be in there out of the way. Got it right there. Make sure you clean the rim really good. I've got some dirt and mess between the rim and the tire. I'm gonna have to break this part of the tire down and clean it real good, because you can see the dirt, the rust and mud. I didn't clean around the edge of the rim, which I didn't think I needed to, but it just goes to show you that you need to clean around the edge of your rim before you put your tire on. Now I'm going to have to let the air out, break that side down. I'll clean it and I'll put it back together, and it should fix our leak. But I got some dirt and mud and mess in there, and that's where there was a wheel weight on there, and I didn't even realize the wheel weight was still on the rim. But I've now removed the wheel weight off of the tire. But you can see that it's really cruddy and muddy coming out of there. See the mud is kind of coming around the rim here. Just kind of want to show you as an example. See right here? I don't know if you can see the coloration of the mud and stuff. See, this is what we got to clean out of there for that tire to bead, to seal on there real good. So we want to definitely want to get that to seal. So I'm going to let the air out and break it down again, and just push that down so I can get under there and clean the tire and the rim. I broke the tire down. And now I got to clean this crud out of here. Yeah, it looks like rust is in there. Pieces of a little rust. Yeah, you got to be careful about that stuff. To get between your tire here, keep you from sealing a good seal. And also dirt. That's one thing you got to watch about doing it on the ground, is you'll get dirt in there as well. Yeah, I got to take some rust right there out of there. Come here, dust. I mean rust. Yeah, all it takes is, I don't know if you can see that right there. What's on my finger there. But that right there, rust, which is on my finger, just a little bit of that mess right there. That's what we got in there. This little crud like that, we got to get out of there. You're going to have leaks. Right here. Yeah, it's right where that wheel weight was. It's back over this way right here. Right here. I'm hoping I don't have to take the wheel off. I mean, the tire completely off to clean it, but quite a bit of rust right there. As long as it ain't between the tire and the rim. Yeah, I think I got it. Yep, I got it now. So now I just need to pump it back up. Pump it back up and it'll be good now. Sometimes you got to be careful about wheel weights being on here and getting rust deposits behind it, because it'll mess you up. Always make sure you clean around your rim. I didn't, and that's the example of me not cleaning around the rim. So always make sure you clean around your rim to prevent leaks. Now I'm gonna get the air compressor, the air hose, and pump the tire up. Put the valve stem cap back on. Alright, let's check the back of this rim. I didn't break the bead on the front side, so it should still be fine. But let's recheck that and make sure it ain't leaking. Looks good. That's what it takes. Make sure your rim is clean around your rim. And that's what you want to do to make sure you don't have any bubbles anywhere, anything leaking. And that's what you got to do. Yep, that's all it takes to fix that leak. But I'm going to go ahead and check this side to be safe. But yeah, that little bit of rust that was in there, just that little bit of rust that was on my fingertip. And then there was a little bit bigger piece that I pushed and it went inside the rim, which ain't going to hurt anything to bounce around inside the rim. What do we got here? We're looking good over here. That just sucks. We're looking good. Yep, we're looking good. We're looking good. Alright. All looks good. There's a brand new tire on, of course, an old rim. 6 lug. And now here's a spare. So hopefully if you ever have to change your tire, I have a video on how to get the tire off the rim, and there's a video here. I'll leave in the description down below the link to the video of me taking that tire off of that rim, and this is me putting the tire back on the rim. I hope this video helps you today. If you decide to do your own tire changing, save your money, may save you some time, may save you some money. That way you don't have to wait in line all day for an appointment at the tire place. The only thing is balancing it yourself. I ain't going to balance this tire because it's just a spare. But as of right now, I'll just show you how to take the tire on and off the rim. So I hope this video helps you today. If you like small engine repair, outdoor activities, doing projects that anyone can do with basic hand tools, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming content if you haven't already subscribed to my channel. And definitely give me a thumbs up. Thanks for tuning in today to Outdoor Handyman Adventures. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching.